Stripped brake fitting. This is how I remove them anyway. When there's no room to cut them out, just cut the pipe and then use this tool on it. So twist bit by blue point, size 7/16. That will slot straight over the end, like so. And that's the result. So you've replaced the lines. Now you gotta bleed it, but you're on your own. How are you gonna do it? Grab yourself some tubing, stick a screw in the end, put a slit around about an inch up. Then what you do is you submerge that end in fluid. You hook this end onto your bleed screw, like so. Then you want to open the valve up about a quarter turn. Make sure it's the bottle is secured. And then you want to pump the brake pedal a few times, making sure that you pull it all the way to the top. Wait a couple of seconds, then pump again. All in the meantime, you need to make sure that the brake fluid reservoir never empties, so keep it around about the full level. Tighten up the bleed screw, and job's a good one.